Legends, welcome back to my channel. It's really hot, you guys, so I'm like wearing this wiki. How do you call this? What is this? Okay, we are going again to the sea, guys. Yeah, my in-laws, they really love the sea, they really miss the sea, so we are going to the sea again, and I will try my best to vlog here and there. I like you guys. Please subscribe, comment to my channel, subscribe, like and comment to my channel. I love you guys a lot. You are my number one, my VIP, my legends. You are the legends, you are the superheroes. My heroes are you guys, my family. So please like, subscribe, comment, just share my vlog. I hope I will reach 100, 200. So the first days they were afraid of the water, so we're just waiting. They were just waiting their fate. Now the second day, so madara mi dike paite aha kau habis ke pada cai ke pai bala se habla ka class ko dre pada cai ke pai to no kira para mudas kau Kaya karus sai. Oh, lekta sansa toka. Pada cai ke pai, usi hadu ke pai sio. Engam spin. Normala. Biere badi cha, usi. Midre. Badi cai ke pai. So. Saying, how is our way? Say something. Fine. Is it fine? Yeah. Enjoy everything. Yeah. How is the sea? Beautiful, eh? Yeah. It's so cold. It's so cold. Nice. Yeah. Okay. You know? What is that? Okay. Amen. So, how is it, Manisha? It's fine. It's fine. So it's called Buriti. It's beautiful. Okay. What's that? No. They don't know how to mire. No. Kami mada ko hay mire. Sapa. Ini sapa sapa. Kaya sekarang saya dah gue. Saya nak kita sekarang saya ibu tu buat saya nak ayana. Saya nak sih dia boleh kasih malam mai. Ame sengkau dia habis awak kau habis itu.